Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, right now we're sitting at a very crucial stage. Bitcoin's not able to make a recovery from 66k, while Doge is still under 14 cents. Now there are some negative news coming out. First of all, net inflow on the June 14th for Bitcoin ETF was negative 190 million. That means the Bitcoin ETF is actually affecting the price in a little bit of a negative way. Curve Financial says 10 million in bad debt fully paid. So there are some positives, negatives, and if you look at the fear to the greed index, it's pretty much getting in the middle. So this is going to be the time where a lot of retail investors might be actually throwing some money into crypto. Now keep in mind, this is also the time where there will be a lot of people that will be fearful and deciding to, take the loss or cut losses. Now for you, the best decision to make would be to invest in a small altcoin which you think will be doing well in the future. And the one I have been looking on is BASEDAWGZ. Now I talked about this about 3 to 4 days ago, and you guys can see that since that day it's already going up very quickly. Now first of all, for the people who do not know, this token is still in the pre-sale stage. As you can see, one dog is equal to 0.005 cents. Now this price will increase in about a day to 20 hours. Also, this is on multi-chain, so Ethereum, BNB, Avalanche, Solana. You can actually purchase this token through pretty much all of these different chains. Last time I made a video on it, it was just about $1 million raised, and right now it's 1.4 million. It's pretty much growing every single day, and I personally feel like just by the time they get to the end of the pre-sale, they should definitely be just above 10 million. That's my expectation. So if that happens, that's still close to 6 to 7x from where we're sitting right now. Now personally, I have guessed that before, and let me just tell you, most of the time that has happened, and a lot of people have sent me emails designed for those who crave adventure and innovation. Our home-based chain is going to be pushing boundaries but rather breaking them. It wants to be multi-chain and join us on the high-octane journey as we redefine what's possible. What is really interesting about this is, yes, they are working with the largest token or largest meme coin, which is Dogecoin, and with that they also have some interesting artwork that's actually presenting different styles. Now 20% is going to pre-sale, 20% for staking. So if you decide to stake your token, the returns you will be getting will be coming from this percentage: 20% liquidity, 15 for marketing, and 15 for the rewards. Now if you do not know about the rewards, well, they're about to do some airdrop. They're going to be pretty much putting out dog points. So after that goes out, the more you promote the token on Twitter and stuff, you will be getting these points. Once the token goes public, you will be, able to redeem these points for the token. Now this is what they want. They want to grow their community, grow their socials, and at the same time make sure they get that future development and make sure that the token is able to do some big numbers. Now if you want to know how to buy this token, it's really simple. Just go to the link in the description. You'll come to this website, connect your wallet. Once you have connected it, put in the password, then just select how much Solana, Ethereum, or BNB you want to convert for dog, and you guys will receive your token. Simply just transfer and you guys will be done. Looking at their Twitter, it's growing quite rapidly. Last time it was just under 2k followers, and it's at 3.2k, and their the view count, you can see 5th of June, which was their first post, has 67,000 views. And just 2 hours ago, good morning, and that has 300 views. So you can see that what we're looking at right now, which is obviously just the starting, there's still a lot of people paying attention to it. Their Telegram group has about 1,800 subscribers, and their audit was perfect. There was literally no problem with it, as you guys can see right here. Now keep in mind, right now I personally still feel like this token is really early, and seeing how the market is pushing right now, the best thing to do is probably invest in smaller altcoins, and this could be a good option. You guys should definitely do your own research and get into this as soon as possible. If you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. You just go to the website, connect your wallet, and do your stuff. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.